Ikaito Frida Kerubo ase oroboti ororo kiranto gotkana nayo ni gotokwenda ase Kaunti ya Nyamira wase umurugi bwo mugavana bwe Kaunti ya Nyamira Emily Nyaribo abaga gochake bene umuroberi obwo korinko riwa kuburere bwa kansa ase Kaunti yo muroberi achake bene asensemo ya ikonge yo tokase bunge ya North Mogrango imeye Kaunti ya Nyamira okwana chinga kiecho Emily nigo abori abantu weso kyasobonge eriyo konyora okorinko riwa namwetanga nakobwatia ebitambukiro byonse biribwe Rwetanga korwase uburwaire bwa kansa muri korwase Kaunti ya Nyamira job manki noroboti urwase obwagare
Buna enjira moyo korwania uburwaire bwa kansa nigo mu first lady bwe Kaunti ya Nyamira Emily Nyaribo achaka umuroberi bwo koringoli gwa kwabamenyi uburwaire bwa kansa
kibwanyori rukere mapema naboko nyara koba goko nyoro gokonya
omorobere yuwa matukatato nigora koleke asinyagitali Nyamira Referral Hospital Ekerenyo Sub County Hospital Esani Sub County Hospital Kijauri Sub County Hospital nenyagitali ya Manga Sub County
bageliga kobalika wocha asinyagitali chetu Sub County moiche gokolera screening abasubati nabangina nabagaka screening yegere busa
Chinyaruka baliga tie miaka 10 mpaka 14 mbase gecho gwesokya elinde kwe kuchi vaccine nabasubati boigo gwesokya
koira naende libageri intebi abaiboli bali babwata abana bale miaka 10 goike miaka 14 abana abaiseke vaccination nero egoeti kuchi skuru nabantu ba health Komoranje ka abana bainori baga baewe vaccination yeyo egere chiko bakonye kero baikire miaka mbachi konyora cervical cancer aba tukibakorire gasi yabo banyorire nge vaccination yeyo ngokonyere none kurkinse kinde kyeisiko
igati abarai baikira nense meyo no mu first lady we County ya Bungoma Margaret Lusaka Sisili Otuoma Korubusia Lilian Natembea Korutwanzoia na abarai bande
wale wengine wenye wako sexually active or the sex active age waende wawe screened. Matibabu iko, management iko. If you love your neighbor, if you love your family, if you love your friends, tafadhali enda uchunguzwe mapema, ujue hali yako so that you are not a burden.
Survival. So it is important for all of us to know, to go be screened. And you've been told the screening is free. It is only you to come out, talk about it, encourage others, tell your friend to tell a friend, go to hospital and be screened. And I know when you get screened, you are going to be treated early and you shall be well.
Abasacha boigomba tigirimaega asebasege togwe sokya elinde koringoli wa
in choosing to celebrate the World Cancer Day. I know it is way out of the the times that are given, but you said it has to happen no matter what. So I want to thank you for choosing to do that, and your team for choosing to join you and celebrate with you. Matibabu, Dan, nimeambiwa nikushike mkono.
Egati abali babere bakubwena kurwa soborere bwa kansa mbarwa esegeto buna obogimamboro nonyanga kwarwalire ko rukansa ekero oralingoli kubwango nakobwenigwa
tulikuja tukapatikana tuko na kansa tulionelea wacha tukuje tu pamoja tujiunge pamoja na wamama na
So ni jukumu lenu mkituangalia yenyewe tuko sawa na tuko comfortable with it. In fact kama kuna mwenye hajakubali kwenda hata usiku kuangaliwa ajikubali aende hospitali akipata ako nayo kama ni mapema atajisaidia mwenyewe.
Kurwase Kaunti ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.